Network is updated. Start in 2 minutes. Yes, participants. Able to hear me clearly? I think there is some noise. Yes, everyone. Able to hear clearly, or there is still noise? Hello. Okay. Now, as far as Unit 5 is concerned, first see one of the simple demo, and then we'll start with the lecture, so that we'll be able to understand what is exactly expected from this unit. The screen for you. Yes, participants able to view the screen? No, it's not visible. Yes, everyone able to view the screen first? Since there was little network error, you are little struggling. Now, as far as Unit 5 is concerned, it is a very intelligent topic, that is stack. So when we define stack, we should assume that it is reverse of queue. It's a pictorial representation. We can say it is, if you enter last in the queue, you will be exit first from the queue. So this kind of data structure, which is called as LIFO, that is last in first out, is termed as stack. And we will also study the detailed data structure of stack. But prior to that, we will see one of the interesting application, and you can develop some games using stack. So one of it is nothing but Tower of Hanai. So this, we are just stimulating what it is. So we have to consider that there are three pegs, that is A, B, and C. In peg A, disks are organized in stack such that disk I is greater than disk I plus 1, and such 5 disks are stacked. Thus, top of disk is having smallest size or radius. So this is a few of the condition related to what will be there on the stack. And what is the task? So the task over here, or the problem, challenge we can say, is to transfer disk from stack peg A to peg B, and we have to maintain the order that disk I is greater than disk I plus 1. So over here we have the diagrammatic approach. We have taken only 3 disks for understanding purpose. Yes, participants able to view the pictorial representation of the pegs. So there are T pegs A, B, and C. So initially the disks are on peg A. So for better understanding what we have done, we have labeled the each disk. You can see it is 1, 2, and 3. So it is in order that the topmost disk is having smallest radius or size. Then the bottom, that is the last disk in the peg A, is having the maximum radius, and it is in order form such that any disk I is always greater than disk I plus 1. So over here it is using stack. So when you insert a particular disk in one of the pegs, it will follow the stack like pattern. So to understand stack and this application, this game, we can say, is very interesting and very easy to understand. Now let us see the next move. So you can see that from peg A to peg C, we can only move the topmost disk, that is 1. Yes, participants able to view the stimulation. So we have worked with the first step, that is we have moved this 1. Then in the second step, we have moved the disk number 2 from peg A to peg B. So in this way we have 3 disks. Now what is our task? We have to shift this disk pattern to another peg B. So let us see how we can. Now this is the position. Now what is the question, that this 3 cannot be moved because it cannot be in reverse order. Disk B and C can communicate. Disk A cannot have any move now. So that is a block state. Now let us move and check with another move. You can see what has been done. C and B are communicating. So C will can only put the data on B peg, but B cannot move. Therefore, we have shifted one from peg C to peg B over here. And finally we have, now we can have 2 pegs that can move, that is peg A and peg B can move, and peg C is empty. So now you can see how this data is now transferred. So we are transferring this 3 from peg A to peg C. Okay, now again if we put this B to C, then see we will not have the same sequence which is expected. So let us see another move over here. What will be the next move? So we're shifting disk one from peg B to peg A, and finally we'll shift this peg B's contents, that is disk 2, to disk 3, peg C. Finally, the order will be completed. Yes, participants able to understand the simple game, that is Tower of Hanai, or any questions? So in this pictorial representation, you can see only the top disk in any of the pack can be moved. So in these things, we say that A, B, C are three independent stacks. Do you agree? Yes, participants? A, B, and C are three independent stacks, and in between the elements with the values 1, 2, and 3 are being shifted only from the top of any of the stack can be moved. The use of simple use of stack, and we can assume that you can shift the contents in a systematic way. So this was as far as Tower of Hanai has been concerned. We have stimulated the number of disks are 4. You can try Tower of Hanai with number of disks as 5 and number of tags are 3. Yes, participants able to understand the problem or any questions you have related to the problem? Okay, so the first is we have to understand how stack can be implemented and what are the properties of the stack, and how you can make a computer game that will automate the task, or you can make this Tower of Hanai that user can play the game. So you can implement it in Python or you can implement it in C or C++, whatever way you want. So if you make it, then you have gained one of the intelligence. So you might have heard about the word AI. Yes, everyone, have you heard about the word AI, artificial intelligence? Yes or no? Just say yes or no. Anybody? So when you heard about the word AI, it simply means that it is something related to human-based decision making. Decision making is when computer makes similar decisions as human makes, then it is called as artificial intelligence. So one of the examples when your computer is able to solve the Tower of Hanai problem automatically without human interference, then that is a type of intelligence. The computer is able, your program is able to solve the given problem with a particular scenario. Okay, so this problem solving approach of automation which is generated is nothing but the part of AI, artificial intelligence. So if you work thoroughly on data structures, you will surely able to compete or able to develop your own AI based systems. Let's move to what is exactly mean by ADTs. Just give me a minute. Okay. Yes, participants able to view the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me start the word application and we'll discuss about what is exactly the entities related to stack. So our fifth unit is nothing but stack. So whenever you define stack, the first thing is it is LIFO. So what it means by LIFO? It is last in, first out. So whichever data is being inserted on top of the stack is being out first. So that is last in, first out data structure. So naturally, what is stack? Stack is a linear data structure. So you should remember that it is also a linear data structure. We say it has last in, first out property. Then about its entities, variable that is stop. So what is the stop used for? It is used to point the top most value or last value inserted on stack. So it is used for that. And stack can be implemented by two methods. So it can be implemented by first method. You can use array methods. Arrays can be implemented using linked list. So we say stack can also be used by represented using linked list. So it can be implemented or represented using linked list and arrays. We study both of these implementation. Either we are going to implement in arrays or we are going to implement in list. Now another thing is it must have some functions. So functions which are involved in stack. One of the function is first push, and push what? Data. So one of the method that is used, that is called as push. So what this push does, it updates the stack with some data value and at the top of stack. So you should remember what it does. So this push is one of the function. Now all these functions we are talking about custom defined functions. Now next is pop. So over here, pop is going to return some data value. So we say pop is returning a data element. Pop. No input to the pop function, therefore we say it is void. So over here, pop returns the data element at of stack. So these are the functions. Now, can we say that this stack is related to arrays or linked list? So stack can be implemented using arrays or linked list. So that means it is also having some limitations, that is or we can say stack full. So it is a condition when the stack has some size. So we can say this arrays is having some size. Then over here, if is equal to size minus 1, then there is the outcome, that is stack is full. So this is the third function. As an ADT we are going